so I just pulled the dipstick and the engine oil is overfilled. I'm hoping that that could also be leading to part of our power robbing issues. It's certainly in a horizontal engine like this is certainly going to lead to some blow-by. It could definitely lead to some power issues as well. So I'm kind of hoping that you know, this engine is actually in decent shape still, and that with a fuel filter, an oil change where it's filled to the proper level, and spark plugs, a few things like that, I'm hoping that we can get this thing running like a top. But we will have to see. I'm going to do that compression test yet, and then we will have to pause until we are ready for the service. Looking at the spark plugs, there's definitely one side that looks like it's been burning cleaner, and the other side is, it's not wet, but it's definitely black and sooty, which would make me believe that you know, that side's probably consuming a little bit of oil. We're going to go ahead and do the compression test now. Once again, I'm kind of hoping that it's a combination of all these little things, like maybe needing new spark plugs and engine oil overfilled and things like that, that ends up being the issue. So then in the end, it's nothing too complicated. And like I said, remember, this is a cheap compression gauge, so I'm not 100% relying on these numbers, but it gives me an idea anyways. I got it. Ooh, not great. I would like to see higher than that, but we'll see if it matches the other side. If it matches the other side, then I'm inclined to believe that it's just because of my my cheap compression tester. However, it's going to do me dirty like that. My adapter stayed in the engine block. However, if it's that low, boy, I don't know. I'll bring a compression tester home from work as well, a better quality one, and we'll just double check it, but it's awful low for my liking. Well, that's not great. We had about 62.5 on one side and about 50 on the other. I'd have to do some quick math to see if that's within the plus or minus. I think it said 15% in the service manual. It's not terribly far off, but it's not very high either, and so hopefully it's just because my compression tester sucks. But I don't know that I can bank on that, so we'll see. Either way, I think if it does have issues, I know that there's a whole lot of point to rebuilding it. At this point anyways, especially since it's not actually my machine, and who knows if you can still get parts for these engines. I'm sure you probably can, but we'll cross that bridge if and when we get to it, and see. I don't know. it's very possible that if the oil has been overfilled for quite some time, that could have had a detrimental effect on the compression. But anyways, I'm going to drop the oil now, and we'll just kind of get to the service part of things, and then I'll have what I need to get some parts. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. I should hopefully have some more coming out on this, so come back and check back.